Back to my channel. This is part 2 of the unboxing. So the first one, we unboxed this little baby. Now we're going to unbox this kinetic sand and play with it in the bathtub because we're weird like that.
It was her idea, so.
Yes, it was. So I think we're just going to open one on camera and then we'll open the other one and then we'll get to playing with it.
How do you do this? Okay, scissors time. Oh wait, there's actually an opening piece. How do I not see that?
Whoa, it's a castle.
What do you think it is, you weirdo?
I don't know, but do it under the camera so they can see it. Do you need help?
Yes. Here.
Okay, put it back on here.
Okay.
Sorry, she covered the camera. She's not good with cameraing.
No, I'm not. That's why you do it.
I missed again. That's
Yes,
okay.
yeah. She's a
Look, it's like a little tub.
Yeah, here.
Wait, no, not. Oh my gosh.
It came out so perfect.
Look at this. Ah!
No, it's breaking. Okay, back in.
Don't play with it on here. It's gonna make a mess. Okay, guys, we are in the bathtub.
Yes, we are.
And we've got the kinetic sand, so we're gonna play with it and show you guys how cool this is. Because when we took it,
Whoop, there we go.
when we took it out, it was really cool.
Yeah.
There's also a green one which we did get undone. It is over here.
But I don't want it in my bathroom.
Yeah, we don't want it in the bathtub. So
Because-
here is the green one. It was in a purple thing. It's like the other one, and it's not open right now. So
Yeah,
we're not gonna open.
so if we, oh,
I wanna
feel
feel this.
it.
Oh my. Okay, if you guys have felt kinetic sand, you will know what we're talking about because that feels so good.
Yes, in a weird way, of course.
Yeah.
It's sand. Yeah, so it's like a really cool pink. And also, we completely undo it, but we can always make it back into a mold.
Whoa.